Hey there folks, and welcome. You've found your way to the trade table, and if you're here, chances are you're looking to make some smart decisions about your home. Today, we're diving into the heart of your kitchen, your range. This isn't just an appliance, it's a partner in your daily culinary adventures. It's where ingredients transform, sauces simmer, and roasts achieve perfection. It's mission control for flavor. Now, I know what you're thinking. You walk into a showroom or browse online, and you're adrift in a sea of options. Dual fuel, gas, electric, induction. It's enough to make your head spin. It's a veritable alphabet soup of options, and the stakes are high. You're investing in a piece of equipment that will shape your cooking experience for years. Making the wrong choice could lead to years of culinary compromises, but fear not. That's why we're here today. We're going to dissect these different range types. We'll explore the pros and cons of each one. By the end, you'll be ready to choose the perfect range for your kitchen. So grab a whisk and let's get cooking. Let's dive into the dual fuel range, a heavyweight in the kitchen arena. As the name suggests, it combines two fuel types. This hybrid design offers the best of both worlds. Think of it as a versatile athlete excelling in multiple disciplines. It's perfect for those who want both gas and electric benefits. Typically, a dual fuel range pairs a gas cooktop with an electric oven. Gas cooktops offer instant responsive heat. Electric ovens provide consistent, even heat, ideal for baking. This combination enhances your cooking versatility. Instant heat and precise control with gas. Consistent, even baking with electric. It's like driving a sports car. You feel connected to the power. The electric oven ensures perfect baking results. But your kitchen needs both gas and electric hookups. This might require some upfront planning. Ideal for serious home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. If you demand precision and consistency, a dual fuel range is for you. It's an investment in versatility and performance. Bringing restaurant-level results to your home kitchen. Ready to elevate your cooking game? The dual fuel range awaits. Let's talk about a true classic, the all-gas range. This is the workhorse many of us grew up with, evoking images of Grandma's kitchen and the comforting hiss of a burner igniting. A gas range uses natural gas or propane for both its cooktop burners and oven. There's a certain romance to cooking with an open flame, a primal connection to the heat source. The primary allure is the immediate, visual, and highly responsive heat. Turn the knob, see the flame grow or shrink, and the pan reacts almost instantaneously. Perfect for techniques requiring rapid temperature changes, like stir-frying or charring peppers. No waiting for an element to heat up or cool down. Control is direct and unambiguous. Gas ovens preheat quickly, a plus when you're hungry. They produce a more moist heat environment, beneficial for roasts. However, gas ovens can have temperature fluctuations or hotspots. For everyday cooking, this might not be an issue, but bakers should be aware. When does an all-gas range shine? If you prioritize rapid preheating, high-heat cooking techniques and aren't focused on precise baking, a gas range is a strong contender. It's robust, responsive, and gets the job done with flair. A tried-and-true technology that continues to serve kitchens faithfully. The infrastructure requirement is a single gas line. If your home is plumbed for gas, installation is straightforward. If not, it involves plumbers and more work. For those with existing gas connections, it's a cost-effective choice, offering reliable performance and a direct connection to the cooking process. It's the seasoned veteran of the kitchen, dependable and always ready for action. Let's talk about one of the most common kitchen appliances, the electric range. Known for its simplicity and ease of use, the electric range is a staple in many homes. Powered entirely by electricity, these ranges feature either traditional coils or sleek ceramic glass smooth tops. Their popularity is due to their affordability and straightforward installation. Electric ranges are often more budget-friendly up front. Installation is simple with a standard 240-volt outlet. No need for gas lines, making them ideal for homes without gas. They are user-friendly and easy to operate. Traditional coils are durable and inexpensive to replace. Smooth tops offer a modern look and are easy to clean. Both types provide steady heat but take longer to adjust temperatures. Temperature adjustments require anticipation. Electric ovens excel in consistent, even heat, perfect for baking. They ensure uniform baking, ideal for delicate recipes. The steady environment is great for everything from soufflés to cookies. Though they preheat slower, they offer reliable baking performance. Electric ranges are perfect for those seeking simplicity and affordability. Ideal for kitchens wired for electricity and frequent bakers. If you value even baking and easy cleaning, an electric range is a solid choice. It's a reliable workhorse for everyday cooking, delivering consistent results. The dependable culinary companion for countless homes. Welcome to the future of cooking, the induction range. If you value speed, precision, and energy efficiency, induction cooking is for you. Induction ranges use a special electric cooktop paired with an electric oven. The magic happens on the cooktop. How does it work? It uses electromagnetism to heat the pan directly. Beneath the surface are coils of copper wire. When a magnetic pan is placed, an electric current creates a magnetic field. This heats the pan directly. The cooktop stays cool. Benefits include speed. Induction boils water faster than gas or electric. It offers precise temperature control. Induction is highly energy efficient. It's also safer with no open flame and a cool surface. Cleanup is a breeze. Spills don't bake on. A quick wipe is all it takes. The electric oven offers even baking and consistent roasting. You get modern cooktop tech with proven oven performance. You should consider induction if you want fast heating, precise control, and energy efficiency. It's for you. It's also great for safety and easy cleaning. While the initial cost is higher, the benefits make it a popular choice. Induction is the smart, sleek, and speedy option for the modern cook. So, there you have it. A quick tour through the world of kitchen ranges. We've explored the dual fuel's versatility, the gas range's classic flame, the electric range's simplicity, and the induction range's speed and efficiency. Choosing the right range depends on your cooking habits, your kitchen setup, and your budget. Are you a passionate baker, a stir-fry enthusiast, or an efficiency expert? For top-tier performance, consider a dual fuel range, but remember the dual hookups. If you love the control of a flame, a gas range is ideal. For simplicity and baking, go electric. And for cutting-edge tech and efficiency, choose induction. The perfect range fits your lifestyle and helps you create the meals you love. At the trade table, we believe an informed decision is the best decision. We hope this guide has helped clarify your choice. Consider what you cook most, how you like to cook it, and what your kitchen can support. Whichever you choose, may your sauces simmer perfectly, your roasts be golden, and your culinary adventures be many. Thanks for joining us.